Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can actually take the screenshot on Windows 10. So I will show you like two different methods. So the first one is actually you have to press print screen on your computer. So if you are on your computer, then you just have to press the print screen option, and if you are on your laptop, then you actually have to press alt, like you have to hold alt and then you have to press on print screen. Okay, so right now I am on my desktop computer, so I will so first of all you will have to click on print screen, and then you have to click on control plus C. Now this will actually copy our screenshot, and then we will open up the paint software here. Then you have to press control+V, and this will actually copy and paste our screenshot into this paint software, and then we can actually just file save as JPG, and we can actually save this file. And the second option is actually built in software in Windows 10. So we will search for SNIP snipping tools, and then you can actually snip and sketch, and you can actually go to the snipping tools here. So I will go to the snipping tools here, and then I will click on try snip and sketch, and then you just have to click on this new, and after clicking on this new option you can see that I have like a bunch of different options here. So if I click on this rectangular, I will select the specific area of the part which I want the image to be. So let's suppose I want this, so I will just copy and drag this here, and this will actually like save this image into this snip and sketch. And now what I can do here, I can just simply click on this save here, and you can actually change the type from PNG to JPG to GIF, and you can actually save this image. So that's how you can actually take screenshot on Windows 10. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.